moment with amazing grace. Like the ocean dancing to the rising sun, my heart keeps telling me you're the only one. Every little smile brightens up my day, chasing every lonely cloud away. Your gentle touch feels like a summer breeze, flowing softly through the coconut trees. Every dream begins with you, every promise feels so true. Hand in hand we'll always be, bound together endlessly. Golden morning sky, your love surrounds my soul, making every broken piece become whole. We'll sway together to the island beat, where our two hearts forever meet. Every reggae rhythm carries us above, wrapped forever in this endless love. Moonlight paints a silver path so bright, leading us through every peaceful night. Soft guitars are singing melodies so sweet, keeping time with every heartbeat. Warm embraces underneath the stars, healing every wound and every scar. With every sunrise, love begins anew. Every road keeps leading back to you. No matter where tomorrow takes our dreams, love is stronger than it always seems. We'll keep dancing through the years ahead, with hopeful hearts where angels tread. Golden morning sky, forever we'll remain, standing strong through sunshine and through rain. Island breezes sing a harmony, floating gently across the sea. With every heartbeat, every melody, you'll always be my destiny. Before the sunrise kisses the sea, I'll tell you what you mean to me. Every heartbeat speaks your name, and every morning feels the same. Your gentle smile lights up my soul. You make my broken spirit whole. With every breath and every prayer, I'm thankful that you're always there. Life keeps moving like the tide, still I'll keep you by my side. Every moment, every chance, your sweet love, my peace is found. Moonlight dances on the shore tonight, holding us beneath its silver light. Soft guitars are playing low, like a river with a gentle flow. No matter where tomorrow leads, love is stronger than our fears and dreams. Hand in hand, we'll always stand, building forever with our hearts in hand. If the stars should fade away, my love will still be here to stay. Every promise that I make is true. Every road keeps leading back to you. Every day I love you more. I love like the waves upon the shore. Island breezes sing a melody, two hearts beating faithfully. Forever we'll walk this road as one. Our greatest journey has just begun. Oh yeah, yeah. Morning sunshine paints the crystal sea. Every wave keeps bringing you to me, like the gentle wind through the swaying trees. Your love surrounds my soul with ease. Every smile is a brand new start. You're the sweetest rhythm in my heart. With every step beneath the sky so blue, my world keeps shining because of you. No mountain high, no ocean wide could ever pull our hearts aside. We'll keep dancing through the years, holding close through joy and tears. Endless island love will carry us on, like the rising of another dawn. Wrapped together in this melody, floating free across the open sea. With every reggae beat, our hearts agree. Forever you belong with me. Oh, golden moonlight resting on your face. Every moment filled with endless grace. Soft guitars are singing through the night, guiding us until the morning light. Warm embraces, laughter in the air. Every dream becomes a promise shared. Our love keeps growing stronger every day, like the sunshine never fades away. When the seasons gently come and go, our hearts will always find their flow. Side by side we'll write our story true. Every chapter starts sets my spirit free.
The evening breeze whispers through the trees, bringing your sweet love so close to me. Every smile shines like the morning sun. Since you came along, my heart has won. Walking hand in hand beside the sea, you're every little dream I hoped would be. With every heartbeat, our spirits rise, lost together beneath tropical skies. No matter where this road may lead, your gentle love is all I need. Every promise softly grows like a blooming island rose. Only you and I beneath the stars tonight, holding on until the morning light, swaying slowly to the lover's groove. Every heartbeat finds a sweeter truth, with every reggae rhythm flowing free. Your love is home eternally. Soft guitar singing through the air, every melody reminds me that you care. Moonlight dances gently on the shore, making me love you even more. Every sunrise brings another chance to lose ourselves in this endless dance, wrapped together in a warm embrace, forever shining with amazing grace. Through every season, through every tide, I'll always keep you by my side. Nothing can break this love so true. My heart forever belongs to you. Only you and I will always be like the ocean meeting endlessly, with every harmony and island breeze. Our love will bloom with perfect ease. Together we'll sing this melody, bound by love for eternity. Morning light is shining on your face, cherish every laugh we share, every dream beyond compare, holding close what matters most. Together we'll weather every coast. Hold on to this love, don't let it fade away. We'll keep dancing through each brand new day. Like the ocean meets the golden shore, I'll keep loving you more and more. With every reggae beat and harmony, your heart will always live with me. Island winds are whispering your name. Every sunrise brings a bright flame. Soft guitars are singing sweet and low to the rhythm only lovers know. Every promise written in our hearts, stronger now than when our journey starts. Side by side, we'll always find our way, with endless love that's here to stay. Through every storm and every sky, I'll be the one right by your side. No matter where tomorrow leads, love will bloom from every seed. Hold on to this love forevermore. It's the treasure we've been waiting for. Together we'll sway beneath the stars above, wrapped forever in the gift of love. Island breezes carry our melody, bound together for eternity. When the evening breeze begins to flow, your gentle laughter steals the show. Every glance is like the morning sun, lighting up my world. You're the only one. Hand in hand beneath the island sky, watching every cloud go drifting by. Your tender touch brings peace to me, like calm blue waves upon the sea. You're the sweetest melody I know, like a river with a steady flow. Every heartbeat moves in perfect time, a love so pure, so rare to find. Paradise is found inside your smile, where my heart can rest a little while. Every kiss feels like a summer breeze, swaying gently through the coconut trees. With every reggae rhythm that we share, I find forever in your loving care. Golden moonlight shining in your eyes, brighter than the stars across the skies. Soft guitar is singing through the night, holding on until sweet love melody. Forever we'll keep swaying heart to heart, a love that time will never pull apart.
From the first time our eyes met across the room, you chased away every lonely cloud of gloom. Like a gentle breeze dancing through the trees, your love has always brought my heart to ease. Every little smile lights a fire inside. With you beside me, there's no place to hide. The rhythm of your heartbeat calls my name, and nothing in this world will be the same. Hold me close beneath the moonlit sky. With every kiss our spirits rise so high. No fear can break the bond we've come to know. Together is the only way we'll go. Wrapped in your love, I feel so free. Like the ocean flowing endlessly. Every heartbeat moves in harmony, swaying to this sweet reggae melody. Stay with me through every changing tide. Forever I'll be right here by your side. Golden sunshine paints your lovely face. Every moment feels like sweet embrace. The island wind whispers soft and low, carrying a love that continues to grow. Warm guitar sings beneath the stars tonight. Our dreams are glowing in the candlelight. With every step our hearts become as one. A love that shines brighter than the morning sun. No distance, no storm, no passing years can wash away these hopes or quiet these tears. Our love keeps blooming like the flowers in spring. Together forever our hearts will sing. Wrapped in your love, my soul has found the sweetest place where joy surrounds. We'll dance forever to this island sound, where endless love and peace are found. With every harmony and every gentle breeze, you'll always be my sweetest melody. You walked into my life like the morning light, turning every shadow into something bright. With your gentle smile and your loving embrace, I found forever in your peaceful grace. Every heartbeat moves with the ocean tide. There's no other place
place I'd rather hide. Your love is the rhythm that carries me, like an island breeze across the sea. No matter where tomorrow leads our way, I'll keep your love close every single day. Together we'll rise, together we'll stand, building forever hand in hand. Stay through every sunrise, every fading day. Hold me close and never drift away. We'll dance beneath the moon until the morning light, wrapped in your sweet love all through the night. With every reggae beat, our hearts will always flow together forever, ooh, wherever we go. Soft melodies are floating through the air. Every little moment shows how much we care. Golden skies are shining in your eyes. Love keeps growing stronger as the years go by. Every life becomes a treasured song. With you beside me, I know where I belong. Nothing in this world could pull apart the love that's living deep inside our hearts. When the rain falls gently from above, ooh, we'll shelter in the warmth of endless love. Every dream we chase, every step we take, together we'll build a life we'll never break. Stay through every sunrise, every starry night. You make my whole world feel so right. We'll sing our love with every harmony, carried by this silent melody. Forever in your arms is where I'll always be, united in love, ooh, for eternity. From the moment that our eyes first met, you're the sweetest dream I won't forget. Like the sunrise warming up the sea, every little smile brings new life to me. The island breeze keeps calling your name. Every tomorrow feels just the same. Wrapped in your love, my heart feels free. You're the only place I wanna be. Every heartbeat sings your melody, like the gentle waves upon the sea. Hand in hand we'll never drift apart. Your love forever lives inside my heart. Forever by your side is where I'll stay, loving you a little more each day. Through every sunrise, every moonlit sky, our love will never fade or say goodbye. We'll dance together underneath the stars above, carried by the rhythm of our endless love. Golden sunsets paint the evening bright, holding you beneath the island night. Every kiss is sweeter than before, making me believe in love much more. Soft guitars are playing through the air, every joyful moment that we share. No matter where this journey leads us to, my heart will always beat for you. When the rain comes, I'll be alive, holding you so close throughout the night. Nothing in this world can change what's true. Every road keeps leading back to you. Forever by your side is where I'll stay, together through tomorrow and today. Our love keeps shining like the morning sun. Two hearts united now forever as one. With every reggae beat and harmony, you'll always be my sweetest melody. smile. Every little moment makes my life worthwhile. Hand in hand, we're walking by the sea. Every beat of my heart belongs to you and me. No need for promises written in the sky. Love is in the little things we share each night. Your gentle touch tells me all I need to know. Like a sweet island breeze that never lets me go. Whisper to my heart, let your love remain. Like the falling sunshine after summer rain. Hold me through the night, never let me roam. In your loving arms I finally found my home. Forever we'll be dancing to this reggae melody. Our hearts in perfect harmony. Moonlight paints your beauty in a silver glow. Every kiss reminds me that our love will grow. Sweet guitar is playing while the palm trees sway. Together we'll be smiling till the break of day. Let the music carry every dream we make. Every laugh and every chance we'll gladly take. Through every season, near or far apart, you'll always be the rhythm beating in my heart. Whisper to my heart, let your love remain. Gentle as the ocean, peaceful as the rain. Side by side forever, underneath the stars above, we'll keep singing songs of everlasting love. Island breeze will carry every melody. Our hearts will live in sweet harmony.